Now we are going to make a Google Sheet to collect the responses in. Click the Responses tab. Click the green icon to create spreadsheet. We're going to leave it on Create a New Spreadsheet. It will automatically appear alongside our form and press Create. As we fill in the form, column titles will begin to appear inside the sheet. If we go back to Google Drive, you will now see that the sheet has appeared alongside our form. For this next part, we're going to theme our form. Select the colour palette. You can choose the colours. I'm going to select a theme. I've selected my theme and press Select.